Hi, thank you for coming to have a look at my living room reveal. I just wanted to give you a quick little look about what it looked like before we did the extension to the house. We did actually put a wall in on this section that you can see here blocking up to the kitchen and dining room, which you can have a look at the video on my channel. So today's the lounge reveal. So this is my actual lounge here. So now there is currently a wall here. This was our lounge and our dining room and my office and like a whole big workable space. We wanted to create a cozy room at the front due to it being so big and open plan and light at the back. So here is what it looks like now. So as you can see, there has been a wall put in on the left hand side. This has created, you know, like one singular room, and I thought it was going to be feeling really small, but it's not. So I wanted to create a very cozy, warm room because it's kind of like a north facing room, and where the extension's been built, it blocks any light coming into the lounge now, only sort of direct sunlight. So I went for warm, dusty kind of pink. It's called it's Sulking paint. It's been colour matched to Farrow and Ball's Sulking Pink, Sulking Room Pink, and we did all the walls in that. We kept with our warm wood furniture that we've got, and we also created this lovely cozy fireplace area. This is actually just an electric fire, like a little heater, but I put these little brick slips in here from Coochie's design, and they are in the autumn blend range, and it just adds some texture and some interest to the room. We built this oak beam fireplace as well and kept our original hearth, but we've got the carpet around it now rather than the wood laminate wood flooring. I brought in plants and warm gold colours to create a much warmer feeling. So I created these silhouette photos of me and my husband, and these little lights are actually battery powered lights. They are from Amazon, and they've got like a little puck light inside, and it's controlled by a little remote control. So I think I'm going to spray them a bit brassier gold than they are currently. So I've got plants in here as well. They're from Hortology. With this brass lamp is actually my grandparents', and that's kind of what started the whole gold theme off. Our carpet is from Online Carpets, and they delivered that to home, which is lovely. It's so soft and squidgy. Our sofa is from DFS about 3 or 4 years ago, something like that. It's the Sophia sofa. I made all of these photos and frames. I actually took the photos myself, and now we've got them up on the wall, which is so lovely to have. I collected these from like Marketplace and any family members. The curtains are actually from Blinds to Go. They were made to order curtains so that we could get them. I can't really give you the right colour on here, but they're mulberry and a really dark velvet, which warms the room up so well. And the little lamp was from my mum, and the little lampshade from B&Q. The TV units were of what we originally had. As you can see, my carpet's so lovely and squidgy. I will put a link to all of the different products in the description box below. The skirting here was from Skirting World. They supplied all the skirting for us throughout here and the new room at the back. So now I want to show you what it looks like at night, because the lights were really important to me to get right and to make it so cozy. So I've got the lamp for my grandparents on the left. I've got the little lights in the alcove, which were meant to be warm white, but they're not, so I'm going to sort of add a little filter to them. I've got my candles, my little lamp, and I've got the little Philips Hue light strip underneath here, and I just think this is so lovely to have in the fireplace. So there you go, there's our new living room reveal. I hope you like it. Click through the link below to come and have a look at the blog post, or click like and subscribe. Thank you.